wow. You were really going for that one, huh? Sorry, I probably screwed you up. Sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I bet you like the sweet potatoes, huh? Mm-mm-mm. Oh my gosh. Dad, you're so angry. What's wrong? What's wrong? You want some more? Wow, you just eat this stuff so much different than anything else. How does it look? Okay. What are you doing? You trying to rip your table off? Your bumbo? Where is he, baby? Hey, no, you're eating. Just relax. You're not getting up. Oh my gosh, are you okay? Oh no, you're gonna make a mess. Let me know. Alright, so I'm inside. Sweet potato everywhere else. Wow, you eat this whole thing fast. Wow. Wow, baby. Well, that's it. You ate it all. Are you still hungry? Do you want more food? More? Hey, what? Barbara, do you remember what more is in sign language?
What?
More?
What?
In sign language?
Yeah.
Now you remember milk, huh? There's more. This one, it's this one. This one, baby. More? More? Look, baby, like this. More? Okay. I'll just get you the food. How about apples? Apples? Ugh, a little tart, huh? Little tart for you? No more apples? What's wrong? You just want out of your chair or are you still hungry? Okay, well, let's just finish off the apples and then we'll just get out of the chair. I think this one get out of the chair. It should be nice and full. You still hungry? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. Dear Daddy used to do this so different. Alright, this is it. This is all the baby food. For tonight, at least. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's just get you cleaned up.